go in my place, dog? For me kerchief that around the neck, you know. You know though? For me kerchief that around the neck, you know. Why me go in my place? You hungry?
Hi guys, welcome to Braids and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, when thief get caught at Jamaica, them get all sort of things done to them, okay? And this one is one of them that is kind of amusing and funny, but not so funny at the same time. And it says, a St. James man who was reportedly held and chained to a post by his victim after he reportedly robbed their home in Tucker, St. James on September 26, 2018, had his bail extended when he appeared in Montego Bay Parish Court earlier this week. The accused 24-year-old Andrew Blake, otherwise called Skinny Man, unemployed at the same address, was ordered by presiding judge Sandra Wong Small to return to court on February 21st, 2019. Reports coming out of the court are that on the above-mentioned date, the complainant and his wife closed up their home and went out. Upon their return, they discovered that their house was broken into and cash amounting to $8,000, female accessories, and other items were stolen. After walking around the premises, they saw Blake and inquired as to what he was doing there, but he could not come up with a relevant answer. He was held and chained to a post in the yard, and he later confessed to breaking into the house. During a search of his person, some of the items were recovered, and the complainant immediately contacted the police. Upon the arrival of the lawmen, Blake was arrested and charged for housebreaking and larceny. And I'm gonna play the video for you right now.
This is that big girl. This what I see them she live. Me can't get back my phone. Why me go in my place, dog? For me kerchief that around the neck, you know. You know though? For me kerchief that around the neck, you know. Why me go in my place? You hungry? So dog, how much time you go in my place? You don't see food in the fridge. You don't see food in the bucket. You don't see food in my fridge. You don't see food in my bucket. Eh? And nothing I want. So I'm going to take your food and allow me money, my youth. You don't see me food sick. And nothing I want for me. Eh? I don't some money I want. So you don't give a fuck what me don't. Yeah, my kerchief. Yeah, my socks, I buy $390 feet, that diamond socks. 80% cotton. You see me? Yeah. I want my phone. I want the 32 gig memory card. I want back the 2 8 gig memory card. Plus the 60,000 you take out. I want it back. Yeah? Yeah. Remember me tell you. I call the blood clot police them. Because either me kill you if you want me to take, or your pa, or your ma, or your somebody have to give me back my things then. You know how me work for what I want. Watch.
So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you think that he had a right to chain him up and videotape him? What would you have done if this were you and you came and saw somebody walking around your house and then $8,000 and your items went missing? Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.